Welcome to Hebrew, the language of the Bible. My name is Karmit. I will be your guide. Hebrew writing has three forms: biblical, modern print, and cursive, which is the handwritten form. Hebrew is written from right to left. There are 22 letters in the Hebrew alphabet. 20 letters are consonants. 2 letters are silent. And note that there are no vowel letters. Yes, there are no vowel letters. In Hebrew, vowel sounds are indicated by a system of dots and dashes. This system is called nikud. The nikud signs are guides to pronouncing vowels in a word. In this example, you can see nikud vowel signs in the word hallelujah. But most of the time, vowel signs are not written. So oftentimes, you need to read between the letters and deduce the pronunciation based on the context of the sentence. It's like reading text messages without the vowels. You will be able to deduce what the word is, and how to pronounce it if you know the context of the text. As you can see amongst these examples, you know that GDNYT means good night, even when the vowels were not written. That is exactly how you will feel when you read words in Hebrew. I hope that gave you a basic understanding of Hebrew. In the next videos, we'll get to know each letter,